Previously, I chased waterfalls in Lauterbrunnen and had my first cheese fondue in Mürren. In this video, I'll be visiting one of Switzerland's major cities, Geneva. It's my last day here in Wengen. I'll be traveling to Geneva today. To get to Geneva, I need to make several train transfers. So I took the train to Lauterbrunnen and then to Interlaken Ost, and then from Interlaken Ost, I took another train to the Swiss capital, Bern. So I'm in Bern right now. This is the Swiss capital, but I won't be staying here. I just need to transfer to another train to Geneva. Okay, so I'm inside the train from Bern to Geneva airport. It's different from the usual train. From Bern, I transferred to another train to Geneva. This train goes directly to the airport and looks different from the regular trains. So in Geneva, I plan to meet my friend later for coffee. She now works at the UN with her husband. And then tomorrow I'll be traveling to Annecy, France. Okay, so I have arrived here in Geneva. I just need to go to the hotel. I'm so lucky because the hotel is just very near the train station. I booked at Hotel Suisse, which is just a few meters away from the Cornavin station. So I have just arrived here in Geneva and checked in at this hotel, Hotel Suisse, which is just across the train station. So even if you have heavy luggage like I do, all you need to do is to walk about 3 to 5 minutes to get to the hotel. And since this is Geneva, the room is a little more expensive and smaller than my room in Wengen. And this is the view. So this is the view from my hotel window. So this afternoon, my plan is to meet my high school classmate who now works in the United Nations here in Geneva. So she messaged me earlier and said she's here, so we will be meeting for coffee later. By the way, when you check in at the hotel here in Geneva, they will give you the transport card. So you can use this until the end of your stay here. This is for public transportation. Hi, so this is Geneva. I'm just going to do a DIY city tour for half a day before I meet my friend later for coffee. Geneva looks so different from the other Swiss cities and villages that I have visited, including Zurich and Lucerne. This is also in the French-speaking part of Switzerland, so please forgive me if I mispronounce French words. So I'm just waiting for my friend Donna to come here. Okay, so that's my friend Donna, but she doesn't want to be in my vlog. It's been several years since we last saw each other, so we just spent the afternoon walking around the city and catching up. Hello, so we're going to the St. Peter Church. Actually, my friend is camera shy, so she doesn't want to be in the video. Okay, so we're now at the shopping area of Geneva at Rue de la Confédération. Sorry if I mispronounce the French words. The shops were closed since it was a Sunday. But in this street, you will find different luxury brands. After a few minutes of walking, we finally reached the Geneva Lake. You can also go to the other side of the lake by riding the Mouette. Geneva is also known as the watchmaking capital. So as a tribute, This flower clock was created in 1955. You can't say that you've been in Geneva without seeing its most famous landmark, the Jardin or the water fountain. This was originally constructed in 1891.
Bonjour. One stracciatella. Cone. And one macadamia.
Dulce de leche.
Macadamia dulce de leche.
Just because Switzerland is a landlocked country, it doesn't mean that its people cannot enjoy the beach. Here, they have turned the lakeshore into a public beach. From the lake, we just crossed the Mont Blanc Ridge to reach my hotel. My friend also gave me one of her favorite popcorns. I was also starting to miss food from home, especially rice, so I decided to go to the Filipino food stall at the Cornavin station and bought long silog before going back to my hotel. Thank you for watching this episode. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. In the next part, I will be visiting Annecy, France.